Wow, Eli, you're doing great.
My name is Geeslien. This is my colleague Bas from Vette Shipyard. And tonight we're preparing the starter for you. It's called spinnaker.
Together with the chefs, we prepared the starter for tonight, which looks like a spinnaker. They make use of different kind of ingredients, such as seaweed, sea bass and melon. And this all gives a little bit of a story we want to tell about our company.
Prego Stefania.
Buonasera a tutti, questa sera portiamo a tavola un nostro primo piatto. Sono ravioli scarpinoce di magro, li abbiamo chiamati presolana perché noi veniamo dalla Val Seriana in provincia di Bergamo e quindi abbiamo portato questa sera questo tipico piatto vegetariano perché rappresentiamo il meglio della valle come formaggi con 9 DOP. Spero a tutti vi piaccia e buona serata.
Here to present our dish, the choice of Queen Ada, our queen who lived in our town 3,000 years ago. My sous chef will explain the ingredients of the dish.
Je viens de la Turquie, je m'appelle Selda. Je vais vous préparer un repas spécialement turc, typiquement turc, qui s'appelle Hünkâr beğendi, ça veut dire au bonheur de Queen Ada. Petit morceau de la viande sur un lit aubergine fumée.
We will have a very special dish for you tonight prepared. It's called the Waffelicious Dutch Delight, which is dating back to 1884, which is the anniversary of our shipyard. Next year we will celebrate with you 140 years. Very excited.
We started with crumbled stroopwafel. That's an all-time favorite in the Netherlands, a very nice Dutch cookie with syrup and a waffle, paired with brandy-soaked raisins, with some vanilla ice and whipped cream, and with caramel sauce.
So congratulations to the team at Vitte's, and thank you to everyone who cooked as well.
The winner is Queen Ada's Choice from Asian Yacht.